we are going to get started. I'm going to pull over my chair. And hi, Shanna. Hey, hi, Kelly. Hi, my friends. Oh, my goodness. All right, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, before I go through anything, I want to mention my Pig Monkey training is happening on the 17th of February and on the 24th of February. So the 17th is for people who want to do, hi, Kim. Hi, guys. On the 17th is for people who just want to know what Pig Monkey is. They've seen it, heard about it, and need to know the ins and outs. And then on the 24th is Pig Monkey calendar training. So that's going to be super fun. So that's one thing. The other thing is I want to tell you my mom is working on talking to people about this cute little bag. This was the bag that we had at our customer appreciation dinner. And this is how it opens. And then, like I showed you in the video, I have my little goodies and stuff like that in it. But she is working with people to see, kind of what kind of style they want and stuff like that. But we are going to go ahead and get started. I'm using Well Said. I'm using some framelits from the Be Mine Stitch. We're doing a Valentine's card today. Hi, Betty. Hey, guys. We're using this real red. Beautiful. This is what we're making. I'm making a bunch of them because I have a lot of them to go out. But this is what we're making. So we've got a lot of texture there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And there's also an envelope that goes with it. So I have envelopes and all that sort of stuff. So as I'm making them, I'm kind of putting them to the side. I have some... Let's see, these are going out. Some are going out for team, some are going out for my new team members, okay? So I'm going to put this, let's see, we'll put this somewhere where we can still see it, right? Let's put it right here because we do want to see it. And like I said, we're using the Real Red and the Well Said stamp set. I'm going to put this right there just so I know where I'm going. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use the thick Whisper White cardstock for my base. Here's my envelope. I don't want to get stuff messed up, so I'll put it over there. I'm using, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to make my base. And this is at 5.5 and 4 1/4, which is, I think that's your standard like A2 card. So we need that. And I'm going to turn this around this way. And I'll put that there because I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Now, some of the things that I already have punched out and ready to go, and we're going to do some of it here, and then some of it I'm going to bring my Big Shot in because I don't have everything punched out. So let's get started with, let's make our card base, right? Because here I go making a mess. Oh my goodness, I hope everyone is doing well. We are... I think on the tail end of our snowstorm that we've had. So that's a good thing. I hope everyone is doing well. I want to thank everybody for joining me today, that's for sure. And coming on and joining me. I appreciate that. And watching the replay. So what I'm doing, I'm using this is From the Heart designer series paper, which is so pretty. You guys have seen some cards for me already from this. This is part of that From the Heart designer series paper. And what I've cut this down to is 2.5 by 5. 2.5 by 5. And just before I get started doing that, I want to show you guys, just in case, I know some people do sketches. I'm doing this thing with my team. I'm not a sketchy person, but I made this sketch. Can you guys see that? How crazy. I made this sketch, and except that I was going to have my lines, see how my lines are this way, up and down? I was going to have them go the other way, and it just didn't look right. So instead of doing that way, I'm doing them this way. But this is my sketch. I have always had trouble with doing my sketches, so that's the reason why I showed you. Okay, so we have that part down, which is good. We're going to need that. Let's bring in the Big Shot just so that we can start with this. And let's see, I already have this. I think we're going to need some designer series paper. We have a lot of this already cut out because I was doing it kind of like in a mass sort of way. So let's move you and you. We need this and the Big Shot. Whoops. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Watch out, buddy. Okay, I don't want to shake. There we go. I don't want anything to shake, but it just might. So you guys hang in there with me. I'm using some more of this Designer Series paper. Isn't that beautiful with the little arrows? Have you guys tried that yet? So cute. All right. So let's put that in there. We're going to just run this through as easily as possible. Okay. And so we have our heart. We're going to need that. And again, these are the Be Mine stitched dies that we've had. And then I'm going to bring in this corrugated embossing folder. I think it's called 3D corrugated something embossing folder. It's got like a really long name. And all I need for this are just these two. And then we're going to take our paper, which is, there it is. It's somewhere in here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and this is how I do it. You guys are more than welcome to do it some other way, but I like to kind of put a little bit of water on this so it makes it a little pliable when it goes in here. And then I'm going to line it up just like this. So it's in a valley and not on one of the grooves that go over like this. It's in the valley, not the mountain. Okay. Put that down. And then I'm going to put this right on top and then run this through. Sorry for the shaking, you guys. Sorry. All right. So then we have this. Sweet. And then we can put our Big Shot away. We need that. Just like that. Okay. So we'll let that dry out just a smidget. Now, to put this down, I want to use some tear tape. I really don't want it to have any more height. So you guys see this? It kind of already looks like it's popped up because of the ridges in it. So I don't want it to have any more height. So the only thing I'm going to add to it, I'm just going to put some tear tape down at the bottom because I really don't want it too high. And I don't think it matters which side. I'm going to use this side though. And then get another piece of tear tape. Here we go. So you guys, I am doing this Pick Monkey training. I know I'm doing am I doing a shameless plug? Is that what a shameless plug is? Because I've never had to do a shameless plug, but I'm doing a Pick Monkey training, and I promise you it is going to be so fun. It's going to be super fun. Don't miss out. Not that I won't I won't try and do it again, but I think it'll be super fun. We have super people going. Gonna have lots of fun. All right, so what I'm doing now, what I should do is like run my little tool here over this, over top of my, this always happens. Come on. And it doesn't happen until I'm on camera. But you guys know that. It's like, well, there we go. Hold on. There we go. We're just going to wait to mess up until you get on camera and then, well, all right, done. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this part right here and this is going to go off to the side a little, okay? And so it gives that, okay, so we have lines here and we have lines here. That's okay. Don't worry about that. It is still going to be stinking cute, okay? So we have that part down. That's our base. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on putting the rest of it together. And they come together so super easy. After you have everything punched out, promise. Move over, guys. The last thing that we're going to do is, whoa, I don't want you right there. we are going to do some stamping. Okay. Our little heart is done. And we're going to put this heart kind of right there in the center. I'm going to move this off to the side. Are you guys all ready for Valentine's Day? I am almost ready. I got almost all my cards done. Not to worry. I will have them all done by the time Valentine gets here. Oh my goodness. So this is another little heart that is from that set. Oh wait, this one's got a little thingy on it. I don't want that one. See, this one doesn't have that on there. This one, the heart looks like it's been chewed off. Okay, we don't want you. Sorry. We do want you. There we go. We're going to put this one here. This one looks a little, there we go. That's okay. We're not going to worry about it. We've got it. We've got this. Now we're going to use a dimensional. We're going to put our bow on. Put this lovely ribbon, this beautiful, beautiful red ribbon here. Put that on. Puff her up just a little. That is on there. And then what we're going to do, so we don't need that anymore, we're going to do our sentiment. And our sentiment is going to be done in this real red. And it's from the Well Said. And I love this set. This set has just, oh my gosh, all kinds of sayings on it, which, you know, you guys need to have stuff like that for when you're doing like different things, graduation, blah, 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 that sort of thing. So let's stamp this, see if I can get it right, because there we go. Good enough. Good enough. Let's move this back over here. Okay, and now we're going to use this banner punch. Let's use this to cut out our love. Love, love, love. If I can get it straight. Kind of, sort of. That'll work. We're okay with that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our snips and just make a little banner right there. A super cute little banner. I think this one's going to be a little bit longer than the rest of them, which again is okay. We'll be okay with that. And then we're going to put some snail down on this. Now you could pop this up, but everything else on it is already kind of popped up. So just like that. So if I could really put a little dot right there, right? I know I want to have one here. And I want to have one here. These are those little dots. I think they're like leftover from Christmas, but they're still, and they're in the main catalog. So these are super, super cute. They're still super cute. What if I put one right here? I mean, because there's that little space right there, let's just see. Not saying that I will, but let's see. Let's see. Yes or no? Should I put it one here or no? I don't know. Let's see. I mean, it kind of looks okay, but I like that rule of 3, having like 1, 2, 3, and not having like 1, 2, 9. I like that. All right, I'm going to put it there for a second. Let's see. Yes. Kim says yes. Hey, that looks cute. You guys, you like it? Yes, I like it. It looks cute. It looks cute. Okay, so we're going to keep it. We're going to keep it. The other ones don't have one. This one's a little bit different. So that one is there. And then we have our other ones here. How cute are these? So this is, I stamped this. This is welcome to the team. That's what they are for. And so we've got some that have some that don't. But I think they're stinking cute. You guys are going to have to make these. You really are. You're going to have to make these. They're so super fun. Whoops. Did I just throw this one over there? There you go. Okay, so as usual, thank you guys always for sharing, commenting. I absolutely adore you for it. Thank you. I will have a project sheet with this up so that you guys can have the measurements in case you want to make some of these that are so super quick for Valentine's Day. That's coming up. And don't forget about my Pick Monkey training. And if you guys are looking to either for the pattern for this or you want some of them made, let me know. And I think that's it. That's it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you like this project, I really hope you say so down in the comments. I appreciate it. I love the little love heart buttons. Those are so stinking cute. Thank you, guys. You guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you back here next week, okay? Thanks, everybody. Bye.